Maybe the
You know what that is?
outtakes.
Outtakes.
Super.
Look, there's a white guy playing the dark guy.
This smells good though.
All the jokers in the background.
Ooh, he didn't wear these either. These are teeny. Ooh. Tony, you didn't wear any of these clothes. Unless you were 3.
Yeah, I want to do it.
That's my Rocky accent. Don't make me come out there and whip your ass. What's the next line? Hold out here.
Okay, okay.
Closer.
I'm trying not closer. A little closer. I'm sorry, dude. Come on.
Push him up there.
Come on, you guys are. Come. I just want to see this CZ logo.
Look at Todd instigating it. These two dudes.
Well, I just want to see this CZ logo.
He's backing up. He's backing up.
Man, he's breaking it down.
Oh man.
Oh man, that's not right.
Wrong.
Going on Twitter, like in.
I got you.
Okay.
I got your dinner. Yeah, it's good. How many gallons? We could carry 70 gallons of fuel, and
How many gallons of sweet tea can we carry on that plane?
look at that. That's so. That's so
my
cute.
grandma.
You're a nice little boy.
All right.
We could carry 70 gallons of fuel
And how much ice
and
tea?
about 16 gallons of sweet tea. Okay, where do I sit? Do I hold
No,
the pole?
dude, no.
You Get the kid! I'll throw the little around if you keep interrupting me. Come on, Ma.
Back inside real quick. Let's
We
see.
gotta shoot that again?
Yeah.
Take your jacket and your shirt off. Take your jacket and your shirt off. Right now. Yes. Take it off.
We need this wig again, right? So we can.
And you will quit screwing around.
Screwing around. It's art.
It's art.
That is not art. You take your jacket and your shirt off, you prick, and I'll stand out there hour for hour with you.
Okay, get out there. Get ready.
Give him a rag for his hand, and he's going to need a clean one for the blood. I'm going to punch him. Huh?
Let's do something with the gun.
Give me the gun.
Don't give him the gun.
Give me that gun.
I love it. Here, buddy.
Some shells.
All right, we get some more. You use some more shells.
What?
Oh, there's shells in there. Watch out. Grandma, you don't take me over. I don't know that.
You were doing so good. I just took.
Yeah, well, how would I know? What's the line?
It's a.
Are we finished? Am I done yet?
They're about to be sanitized.
That is a wrap.